Okay. So this part probably bothers you around C5. And we check again. Same area on the opposite side. Now let's check some occipitals and see if there's anything up here on the right side. Not so much on the left. So our mirror issue would be here. Okay? Natin ha. Okay. Tunog lang siya. Let me just see. Okay. Good. There we go. You okay? Yeah. Hindi na siya tumunog. Okay. We just need to get that one. On this side, same area. Okay. C5 not on this one anymore. Okay. Now let's see. Good. Great. Good. Let's check. Okay. One more. We go like this. Let's keep Papaya in this position. Okay. Let me check first. Okay, we want this area here. This is not as towards this side. Okay, we go back. Okay. Breathe in po tayo, ma'am. Then breathe out. Okay, let's do it facing this way, ma'am. But the bottom. Okay, can you breathe in po for me? Then breathe out. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. There. Good. Alright, sorry. Then that's facing the other way. Nakakagulat. Here. Ito naman po. So left is the symptom shirt. Sorry, upload it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go here. Okay, right there. See what there. There we go. Good.